Hello everyone, my name is Ronnie, your realtor.
I'm Shelby Monaghan. I'm the lender.
Fantastic. So we built this partnership between Shelby and I, sold a lot of houses here in Central Florida. We want to bring to you the top 5 things to avoid when buying a home. There you got it. Don't overbuy. That's a big deal when it comes to the house. I have a lot of couples that are maybe just a couple and they have one child and looking at 5-bedroom homes with 30 bathrooms in them, you know? Maybe not right now, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you can buy what you can afford.
And need are two different things. I think that it's very important to kind of keep that in mind.
How many times do you see that in the lending world where, you know, people are buying above their means sometimes?
We see that all the time. I mean, this is America after all, and this is what we do, but we can be smart about it.
Yeah.
And what that means is when you go to look at a house, you know, you have your certain boxes that have to be checked.
That's right.
You know, you need a bedroom for you and maybe a kid or whatever, but you don't need the stable yet, you know?
Yeah.
The hot tub on the roof can wait a couple more years.
Until maybe you build those finances up. Because at the end of the day, there's no point in buying the dream home early in your life and then having that taken from you because you cannot pay the mortgage.
Absolutely.
So that's why, again, we talked about pre-qualifying, getting that preparing phase in. And now in the don't overbuy phase, there's some other stuff that's not just the mortgage. What else are you paying in your mortgage?
This is where me and you can come in very key because every single house has a different set of payments, requirements that are required. Some have flood insurance.
PMI.
PMI is a big one.
Stuff.
That's all dictated by loan. You know, and then your interest rate and payment and how much you put down. These are all things that are dictated by individual houses and not only the loan program, but the house, the neighborhood.
So sometimes if we're looking at a home that's $150,000 or $200,000, that one might have $500 in taxes, let's say.
Yep.
So you're looking at $1,000 a month, let's say, monthly. But then we look at the same $200,000 house, or even a little higher, $220,000 house, and now that one has $3,000 or $4,000 in taxes in a nicer area.
Yep.
That mortgage will not going to be $1,000.
Yeah,
it's going to be a couple $100 more to reflect those taxes.
So back to, you know, your wish and your needs and your wants, you know, you can check those boxes and then you can look at them and say, does having all these boxes means an extra $200 in my payment? Is that worth it for me?
That's right.
Or is it not?
So again, don't overbuy. Buy what you can afford now. That way it's not kind of wasted. Cool. The Ronnie and Shelby Show, top 5 things to avoid when buying a home, is brought to you by our sponsors. Us, Ronnie Perez, Robert Slackfine Homes, a realtor, serving you here in Central Florida. American Eagle Mortgage with Shelby Monaghan, branch manager. This guy can get you a loan, get you financed, get you all taken care of. Apply now at GetApprovedEasy.com.